Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So how to install or how to update your LAN and network driver easily. So firstly click to file manager and right click to PC, manage, and then click to driver manager and click network, right click to update. Okay, so the best driver has it already installed. You can update from here. Okay, and guys, I have a second method also. You can open Chrome browser and you search your model number, like I using 410 M410 motherboard LAN driver. Okay, download, right click to new open. Okay, then choose operating systems and this is choose operating system Windows 10. If you're using Windows 11, so 11. Okay, scroll down, then chipset, LAN, SATA, VGA, BIOS, utility. So I want to LAN. Okay, this is LAN and click to download. Now actually downloading. So finally guys, this is installed, and double click to show open folder. You can install directly. And double click to launch. So then click to yes. Now this is installing. Okay guys, this is actually installing the network driver. So you can when finished and restart your systems. Okay.